Welcome back. Lever-action rifles are making a powerful comeback in today's shooting world, blending classic Western heritage with modern performance. Once seen as old school, these rifles are now winning over hunters, collectors, and tactical shooters alike. From smooth cycling actions to rugged reliability, the top models are proving they still belong in 2026. In this video, we break down the top 5 lever-action rifles making a huge comeback, and why they're more popular than ever today. Their versatility, improved calibers, and timeless design are driving a new generation of interest. Let's dive in. Number 5. Smith & Wesson Model 1854. The Smith & Wesson Model 1854 marks a major moment in the modern lever-action revival. After more than a century focused mainly on revolvers and semi-auto platforms, Smith & Wesson stepped into the lever-action world with a rifle that blends tradition and modern engineering in a surprisingly refined way. The Model 1854 isn't just a nostalgic tribute. It's a serious attempt to bring the lever-action platform back into mainstream attention. What makes this rifle stand out is how it combines classic lever gun operation with updated materials, improved ergonomics, and modern compatibility. It retains the smooth, fast cycling that lever-action fans love, but adds enhancements that make it more practical for today's shooters. From hunting fields to range use, it delivers a solid balance of reliability and control. Another key reason behind its popularity is its versatility in chambering options, including powerful modern calibers like .44 Magnum and .30 Winchester. This gives shooters the ability to use it for everything from medium game hunting to recreational shooting. It's a rifle that feels familiar in the hands, yet clearly built with current expectations in mind. The Model 1854 also benefits from strong brand recognition. When a major manufacturer like Smith & Wesson commits to a lever-action platform, it signals a shift in the market. It tells shooters that lever guns are no longer just historical pieces. They're evolving, relevant, and competitive again. That combination of heritage and modern performance is exactly why the Model 1854 earns its place in this countdown and represents the beginning of a true lever-action comeback. Number 4. Marlin 1895 SBL. The Marlin 1895 SBL stands as one of the most powerful examples of why lever-action rifles are making a massive comeback in 2026. Built around the legendary .4570 government cartridge, this rifle is designed for serious performance in the field, especially for hunters who need stopping power, durability, and reliability in harsh environments. It carries a modern interpretation of a classic platform, combining traditional lever-action mechanics with updated materials and refined engineering. What makes the 1895 SBL so special is its rugged stainless steel construction paired with a compact, fast-handling design. It is built to handle heavy recoil while still maintaining smooth cycling, which is something many shooters immediately notice when they take it to the range. The rifle's ghost ring sights and optics-ready setup also make it more adaptable than older lever-action models, allowing users to customize it for different shooting conditions. In the hunting world, the Marlin 1895 SBL has built a strong reputation for big game applications. Whether it's deer, hogs, or even larger animals in tough terrain, this rifle delivers confidence through sheer power and control. At the same time, it still preserves the nostalgic feel of a traditional lever gun, which is a big reason it appeals to both older collectors and newer shooters. Its comeback is driven by one key factor. Modern shooters want classic reliability with modern capability, and the Marlin 1895 SBL delivers exactly that. It proves that lever-action rifles are not outdated. They are evolving, and in many ways, stronger than ever. Number 3. Henry Big Boy X. Coming in at number 3 is the Henry Big Boy X, a modern twist on the traditional lever-action platform that has played a huge role in bringing this style of rifle back into the spotlight. Built by Henry Repeating Arms, the Big Boy X is designed for shooters who want classic lever-action operation, but with a more modern, tactical-inspired approach. It keeps the heart of a traditional lever gun while adding features that appeal to today's firearm enthusiasts. One of the biggest reasons for its popularity is versatility. The Big Boy X is not just a nostalgia piece. It's a practical, working rifle that fits multiple roles. Whether used for range shooting, hunting, or as a general-purpose field rifle, it delivers smooth cycling and dependable performance. Shooters often highlight how fast and intuitive the lever action feels, making follow-up shots quick and natural. Another major factor behind its comeback is its modern design language. Unlike traditional wood stock lever guns, the Big Boy X often features synthetic furniture, accessory compatibility, and a more rugged appearance. This gives it a truck gun or survival rifle personality that appeals to a new generation of shooters who value practicality over tradition alone. Despite its modern upgrades, it never loses the essence of a lever-action rifle. The manual cycling, tubular magazine feel, and classic mechanical simplicity are all still there. This balance between old and new is exactly what has made it so popular in recent years. In the end, the Henry Big Boy X proves that lever-action rifles aren't stuck in the past, they're evolving. And that evolution is a big reason lever guns are making such a strong comeback today. Number 2. Browning BLR. At number 2 is the Browning BLR, a truly unique lever-action rifle that stands apart from nearly everything else in this category. While most lever guns are closely tied to traditional designs and classic hunting cartridges, the BLR takes a different path. It blends the fast-handling spirit of a lever action with the versatility and power of modern bolt-action cartridges, creating a rifle that feels both classic and highly advanced at the same time. One of the biggest reasons the Browning BLR continues to make a comeback is its engineering design. Unlike tubular magazine lever rifles, the BLR uses a detachable box magazine system, allowing it to safely chamber more modern, pointed bullet designs. This opens the door to a much wider range of calibers, making it far more flexible than many traditional lever-action rifles. For hunters, this means better ballistic performance, flatter shooting, and more long-range capability. The BLR is also highly respected for its accuracy and smooth mechanical feel. The rack and pinion gear system used in its action gives it a solid, precise cycling motion that many shooters find extremely reliable. It doesn't just feel like a traditional lever gun. It feels refined, controlled, and engineered for serious performance. Another major factor behind its popularity is its role as a hybrid hunting rifle. It appeals to shooters who love the speed of a lever action but need the capability of modern rifle cartridges. That balance has helped the BLR maintain a loyal following for decades. In today's firearm world, where versatility matters more than ever, the Browning BLR stands strong as a lever action that refuses to stay in the past. It continues to evolve with the shooters who rely on it. Number 1. Marlin 336 Classic. Taking the number 1 spot is the legendary Marlin 336 Classic, a lever-action rifle that has shaped hunting culture for decades and continues to dominate conversations even in 2026. Known for its smooth cycling action, rock-solid reliability, and no-nonsense design, the Marlin 336 has earned its reputation as one of the most trusted woods rifles ever built. It is not just a firearm. It is a legacy carried through generations of hunters who value consistency over hype. What makes the 336 Classic so special is its perfect balance of simplicity and performance. It is lightweight enough for long treks through dense forest, yet strong enough to handle real hunting conditions with confidence. Its lever action is famously smooth, allowing fast follow-up shots when needed, while still maintaining the accuracy required for ethical hunting. This combination of speed and control is exactly why it remains so relevant today. Another major reason behind its comeback is nostalgia mixed with proven effectiveness. Many experienced shooters grew up with the Marlin 336, and newer enthusiasts are now discovering why it has remained a favorite for so long. In a world full of advanced tactical platforms, the 336 stands out by doing one thing exceptionally well. It works every single time. Its classic design, deep-rooted history, and dependable field performance have helped it regain popularity among hunters, collectors, and outdoor shooters alike. The Marlin 336 Classic is not just surviving the modern firearm era, it is thriving in it, proving that true craftsmanship never goes out of style. Even today, it continues to hold its place as a go-to rifle for deer hunting and backcountry use, especially in regions where reliability matters more than modernization. With continued interest from both veteran shooters and younger enthusiasts, The 336 is experiencing a true second life in the firearms community. They're more popular than ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,